ABS Fitness Zen. Do not lift your lower back off the floor to avoid putting excessive strain on your lower back, which would place undue stress on the psoas muscle. Perform the abdominal exercises while lying on your back on a mat. Keep your knees bent and together. Keep the soles of your feet flat on the floor. Look towards the ceiling. Exhale 1/3 of the air in your lungs before beginning the abdominal contraction. Then exhale the remaining 2/3 during the contraction. Put your navel downward. Keep your windpipe clear. Do not block your breathing. Exhale as if you were trying to fog up a window. Drag in your diaphragm. 1 to 3 sets of 10, 20 or 30 repetitions. Do not practice after eating. Other ABS Fitness Zen techniques: semi-hypopressive technique, squeeze, dynamic hypopressive technique, 100% hypopressive technique, standing, 100% hypopressive technique, sitting, 100% hypopressive technique. Don't forget to keep that beautiful inner smile at all time. More information, book 2, then Sport. Alain Attle Trainer, ABS section.